Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Huawei P50 Pro. Luckily enough, we got all the colors, so probably this is the only video on YouTube that covers all the colors for the Huawei P50 Pro. And this video would be impossible without the help of my partners Yes and Eva. So please make sure to subscribe to their channels. Links are all in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first about the design. I know it's a bit controversial regarding these two large protruding camera modules here, but once you get your hands on it, it's actually not that bad. At least it's unique and distinguishable. The back panel is made of glass, so it's not easy to get the fingerprints or smudges after some time of use. There's one more color that separates the rest is the Ripple Cloud Wave color. I just translated it from Chinese directly. Huawei didn't even show this color on their official site. Anyway, what's special about it is when someone is calling you, the back panel will have this kind of moving cloud effect. But then you may ask, what if I put on a case? I can't see the color changing anyway. No worries, the box comes with a transparent case. The pearl white color is probably the best looking one, while the Cocoa Gold may be the most premium one for its appearance. The golden black version looks low profile, it's more for business. The charm pink, obviously, is good for girls. Which color is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. Now moving to the specs. The Huawei P50 Pro features a curved 6.6-inch OLED display with 1228 by 2700 pixel resolution. It's an HDR-enabled panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. It looks good when you're watching your daily videos or movies. And if you're wondering how it sounds, here it is. For this, the device is IP68 resistant against dust and water, and also is fairly lightweight, with only 195 grams. That's a fairly bit less than your average iPhone, for example. The Huawei P50 Pro runs HarmonyOS 2, the company's Android rival that it unveiled earlier in this year. For more about that, I've already done a series of videos about it. You can check it out by clicking the link on the screen. Last but not least is the camera, which I think is the biggest upgrade from its predecessors. The P50 Pro has 64 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel main, 40 megapixel monochrome, and 30 megapixel ultra-wide cameras. That's a series of very high-resolution snappers, with the periscope one apparently facilitating a head-scratching 200 times digital zoom as well as 3.5 times optical zoom. The front camera is 30 megapixel, which is a little low resolution compared to the other snappers, but more than you'll need for selfies. I'll put numerous photos we shot at the end of this video, so make sure to check them out. What really impressed me of the camera is the P50 Pro features XD Fusion Pro, an image fusion system that doubles the amount of gathered light compared to the P40 Pro and increases dynamic range by 28%. So it offers incredible clarity when you shoot zoom pictures as showed in the video. Also, it has these kinds of small tricks to let you have more fun when shooting short videos. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.